Stop paying 100 seconds of dollar monthly to multiple marketing apps. Game changer all-in-one growth suite. Beautiful pages and damp. Websites branding designs kit AI-powered optin forms and damp. Pop-ups and damp. You send unlimited emails. All from single dashboard without any tech skills and zero monthly fees. Create unlimited stunning pages, pop-ups, and forms. Mobile, SEO, and social media optimized pages. Send unlimited beautiful emails for tons of traffic and damp. Sales. Over 100 done for you high converting templates. 2 million plus stock images and damp. Branding graphics kit. Comes with commercial license to serve and damp. Charge your clients. 100% newbie friendly and damp. Step-by-step training included. Create amazing profit pulling campaigns. In just 3 easy steps. 1. Select. Select any proven to convert landing page, opt-in form and damp. Email template as per your needs and niche. 2. Customize. Edit and customize matching your marketing objectives. 3. Publish and damp. Profit. That's it. Now, start publishing your pages or send emails to your list in their primary mailbox and start profiting like never before. One-time investment, no monthly fees, commercial license included. Limited time offer. Grab special discount coupon Kyzerly for instant 11% off Jet instant access to Kyza. We guarantee. This is your last solution to start, grow and damp. Scale online, all under single dashboard. Landing page and damp. Website. Builder. Inbuilt drag and drop landing page and damp. Website Builder lets you create high-converting mobile responsive landing pages, websites and damp. E-stores within minutes. 100 plus done for you and damp. Beautiful. Templates. Loaded with high-converting and damp. Fully customizable templates for pages, pop-ups and forms. Suitable for every niche and turns your visitors into leads and then into sales. Ultra-fast hosting and damp. Secure CDN. Comes with ultra-fast and damp. Secure hosting and CDN that loads your pages and damp. Websites within seconds. Business branding design kit. Loaded with 20 plus local niches graphic template pack that includes abstract images, stock photos, social timeline covers, logo kit, book covers, business cards, brochures and damp. Much more. Access to over 2.5 million digital assets. Inbuilt Pixabay integration allows you to access over 2.5 million stock images, graphics, videos and damp. Much more. Use it to create attention-grabbing branding material and damp. Promotion. Smart lead generating opt-in forms. Loaded with multiple opt-in forms designs templates allowing you to generate leads, webinar registrations, run discount coupons lead generation campaigns and damp. More. AI-powered smart pop-ups. Technology. Advanced AI-powered pop-up technology shows user a pop-up according to their interest. It means you can boost your lead sales by showcasing right offers to right audience. Complete email marketing solution. Send emails directly in primary inbox to get more open and damp. Click rates. It comes with the advanced geo-targeting, personalized emails, smart user segmentation and damp. More. High-converting email templates. Loaded with high-converting email templates designed by professionals. With these templates you can experience a massive jump in open rates and damp. Click rates. And so much more all in one business growth solution. To let you create landing pages, opt-in forms, pop-ups, graphics and send unlimited biz emails all under one dashboard. Mobile-ready solution for pages, email, graphics and damp. More. Creates pages, email, graphics that works smoothly on any mobile, tablet, laptop devices super fast. Robust and damp. Proven technology that works for every niche. Robust and damp. Proven OI-enabled pop-ups and damp. Optin Forms technology boosts leads by showing offers as per visitors' interest. Commercial license included, allowing you to provide services to hungry clients. Offer landing pages, email marketing and damp. Other biz growth services and damp. Pocket 100% profit of every sale. Fast action bonuses worth $1,988 available free. To let you make the most of Kyza and ensure every marketing activity stands out at no extra cost. One-time investment, no monthly fees, commercial license included. Limited time offer. Grab special discount coupon Kyzerly for instant 11% off Jet instant access to Kyza. Here are some of the high-converting landing pages that fetches you immediate results. Here are some smart Optin Forms and damp pop-ups that will skyrocket your leads and damp conversions. Here are some attention-grabbing graphics templates that will help you drive engagement and damp build brand. Here are some of the proven and damp high-converting email templates that gets you more open and damp click rates. Get your passport to start, run and damp scale business in any niche. Even a newbie with zero tech skills can create landing pages, Optin Forms and damp. Do much more in no time. 1. Select any proven to convert landing page, Optin Form and damp email template as per your needs and niche. 2. Customize. Edit and customize matching your marketing objectives. 3. Publish and damp. Profit. That's it. Now, start publishing your pages or send emails to your list in their primary mailbox and start profiting like never before.